Hello everyone, my name is Jennifer and welcome to Best Kept Plans. Today's video is going to be a plan with me for the week of September 8th through the 14th, 2025 using my A5 notebook from Archer and Olive. If you're interested in seeing that, please stick around. Here we are in my A5 notebook. I'm going to be going with a vertical layout over 4 pages for this week's spread, similar to last week. I'm going to be using this stencil from the Crafters Workshop. I'll be using these Tortured Poets Department quote stickers, number stickers, some days of the week stickers, and month stickers, all from According to Allie. I'll be using this Bundled Sage Distressed Oxide for this spread. I really love the way that last week's spread came out, and so I decided that I wanted to use the same layout for this week's spread, which means that we're putting our stencil from the Crafters Workshop on the leftmost column of the spread, which is where we're going to focus the majority of the deco for this week. I am using a stencils theme for September, so this stencil does fulfill that, but I didn't really know what I wanted to do color-wise. I just knew that I didn't want to use pink since I used so much of it last week, and then I decided that this Bundled Sage Distressed Oxide would be perfect. I really love the kind of minimal muted vibe of my September intro pages, and when I think of muted colors that I have in my Distressed Oxide collection, Bundled Sage definitely comes to mind. It's one of the ones that I've been using in my reading journal this year, and so I decided to stick with just one color and went with this green color. As we're getting later into September, I definitely see myself starting to bring out more of the oranges and reds to go for more fall vibes, so finding a way to incorporate a green into my spread earlier this month made a lot of sense to me. After putting in the deco in the leftmost column of the first page of the spread, we're now in the rightmost column on the last page, where I'm putting down a little bit of this stencil because I'm going to use this area for a quote sticker in a little while. Now, one thing I will say is that I was a little bit sloppy putting this spread together, and I ended up with a bunch of kind of like hand print Bundled Sage marks all over the place. So if you notice those, I apologize. I was not being careful when I put this together. I really liked the incorporation of stencils and distressed oxides with stickers last week. It definitely made the planning process move a lot more quickly, not using stamps for the dates and days of the week. So I went with these stickers from According to Allie again and laid them out with the date over top of the day of the week. And after putting down all of those, I went in with my September sticker in the bottom left corner here, overlying my deco, and then switching to the bottom right on the last page, I'm pulling a quote sticker from this Tortured Poets Department sticker sheet. I went through a bunch of them. I wanted one that was a little bit larger, and quite honestly, I wish it was larger than the one I ended up picking, but this quote was the one that I liked the most in the moment, so I went for it. And the last thing that I'm doing in this plan with me is putting in the lines to separate each day of the week, and it looks like I accidentally cut myself off while doing that. Actually, I remember what it was. My camera died in the middle of me filming this. Thankfully, it didn't cut more off. I really like the way that this spread came out. Again, super minimal, but I'm happy I went with that vibe, and I love the green color. I hope that you all enjoyed this plan with me, and as always, everyone, please be safe. Bye-bye.